This is the next worked example for selection statements in Java. Here are the subgoals that go with selection statements. In this worked example, we will be looking at sequential if statements. First, there are a number of variables declared, then the instructions to evaluate the statements and determine the value of the variables used. The Java statements are: if alpha is greater than beta, then eta is assigned the value alpha plus 2. If alpha is greater than delta, gamma is assigned the value alpha plus 5. Subgoal 1, we need to diagram which statements go together. In Java, in the absence of curly braces, if statements only have a single statement. Here we have two blocks. The first block goes with the alpha greater than beta statement. The second block goes with the alpha greater than delta statement. These are two sequential statements. Subgoal 2, for the if statement, determine whether it's true or false. First, we'll evaluate is alpha greater than beta. Alpha has a value of 2 and beta has a value of 1. 2 is greater than 1. It evaluates to true. So we follow the true branch. The true branch for this if statement says that eta is assigned the value alpha plus 2. Alpha has a value of 2, so eta is assigned the value 2 plus 2, or 4. Now we have to go on to the next sequential statement, which now is the is alpha greater than delta statement. Subgoal 2, we have to evaluate if the Boolean expression is true or false. Is alpha greater than delta? Alpha has a value of 2 and delta has a value of 3. This evaluates to false. In this case, there is no false branch or else branch, so we do nothing. Therefore, the answer is that eta is assigned the value of 4 from the first if statement, and gamma retains the value of 0 and is not changed. That is the end of this worked example.